Boy, you know, shame us so you come after you stand so long. Not even little language, boy, not even little twang. And your sister work 1 week with American and she talks so sweet now that we have the juice, we understand. Boy, you couldn't improve yourself and you get so much pay. You spend 6 months of foreign and come back ugly same way. Not even a drapes trousers. Not a pass the rhythm coat. Boy, not even a gold teeth, not a gold chain around your throat. Suppose I lost my pass, go introduce it to a stranger as my lamented son that lately come from America. Them would have laughed after me, boy, I couldn't tell them so. Them would have said me liar was I spent time on Moko. Don't back answer me, boy, you talk too much, shut up your mouth. I don't know how you and your father are going to make it out. If you want to please him, make him think you bring back something new. You always call him Pa. This evening when him comes, say Pooh. Say Pooh. But you can't win, you know. Because if you come back to hey, everybody say, where she are going with? Like the boy will come back from England and talk. What wrong with Mary Dryfoot, boy? Them gal got him for mock. And since I meet him the other night, the boy give me a shock. Me tell him same aunt and him cousin, them saying howdy. Me ask him how I'm getting on, him say, Jola. Me start to feel so sorry for the poor bad lucky soul. Me think him go foreign land, go catch bad foreign coal. Me say him had a bad sore throat. But when him chat go on, me find out that his foreign twang the boy was a put on. For me notice that him answer to nearly all me say was actually what? Oh dear. All them sitting there. Me get a joke. The girl them laugh. Hear the boy. Ho ho. Ho ho. I'm sure you got the ball to dash it to the cinema. Same time I get in a temper. Me had a boy kill out. I said, don't chat to me with no hot pity in your mouth. Him stand up like him stunted and hear him now. How so? I'm sure I really just don't understand you, actually. I said, you understand me. Are you near cousin Scoop? You always visit Nana kitchen and get laugh at gungo soup. And now all you can say is actually. Why but tap? What happened to them sweet Jamaica joke you use for pop? He get back and walk through the door, him head in the air. The girl them ball out after him. Not going, what? Oh dear. Yo. Yes, my dear. So you see when them come back so you can't really win at all. You hear them? You see the music there? Me tell you about them. Same thing, all the music people, you know, them have a way with them, man. Same thing, a fella in a Birmingham, one in a London, you already do me. Fella me know where like Peter, you see Peter there? The fella on the piano. You don't know him come from Jamaica, man. And when me come now, the fella should have well know me and know me can sing. Come ask me if he can sing in C. Hey, Miss Lou, can you sing in C? Miss, I'm singing a riba. Oh my dear.